Okay. Okay. Guys, annyeonghaseyo, konnichiwa. Today is the day, and the day is today. Today, we are at Alizio. What's the event for today? Rushing back KL is because Max Orido and Maya Orido coming to Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, together with Vision Auto. They bring in the Max Orido and Maya Orido. So, our car will be parked right here. Sini kita punya kereta ni. Ni kereta aku. And then later we'll be drifting right there. Oh, Max and Maya is already here. Okay, they two is already here. Arigato. Hai, konnichiwa. Hai. Tersalah. Jepun aku tersalah pula. Oh, terkejut. Hai. So lagi sekejap, around 7. Okay, we'll start. They now briefing like right there. Okay, briefing about the drifting. So they will be drift right here together with Max Orido. Oh. Sampai baru je, I just reached, they also reached.
Sorry.
Never mind, it's okay.
Huh? Hi.
It's okay. Actually, Max Orido looks like Aaron Kwok, right? Aaron Kwok. Oh. Hi, bro. Hey. Go-kart area, and another side is a drifting place. So I've been go-kart 2 times. Right here, 2 times. The drifting place is right there. We're gonna start at 7 something is because of the building. They don't allow us to drift early. They'll report later. Jom kita masuk tengok. Hai. Ini dia. Nanti signature akan berada dekat sini ya. Meet and greet, signature, merchandise, korang beli baju, ni semua. Pilih lah. Helmet pun ada helmet tu. There's a toilet lah. So due to support Max Orido and Vision, you're gonna see what to buy right here. Since I'm early, red color. Oh, a lot of color. Oh, this color nice. Oh, the white color also nice. But white very easy to dirty. Green color. Not sure what color. Then we ask Max Orido. So maybe they will be using the Zenlo G86. Right now we're gonna see the drift car that Max Orido gonna drive, and later we're bringing him to the inside Zenlo garage to see all the car. All the drifting sound. Hey! Hi, boy!
Adrian, can I take photo with you?
No. Everyone is right here. Endo car. This one crazier. This the engine crazier. Rushing sini, balik. Nanti aku next week kena datang balik. Tokyo Auto Showroom Malaysia press conference. Right now we're going to Zen Secret Garage. Previously we were bringing an LB come here. Today we're bringing Max Orido, show him what's inside. I think Max Orido forget me. Yeah, change color. They change color. Aye, same car, change color. You drive this. Oh. Maya, which color nice?
I have a pink one. So you get the pink one.
Me?
Ask him to buy. You must buy.
Yeah.
Perfect, bro.
Pink fit, pink.
And then Maya will sign for you.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Nice.
Ya betul, pink color.
So guys, kita tolong pilihkan untuk Adrian.
Lah,
By who? By Maya Orido.
mana pink color?
Small one. I can take it back.
White.哎，Hello，我 test glove 哎，Maya 叫我买 pink color 哎，白色容易肮脏哎，
青色美也是，
青色美。
我也是要买一个。
嗯，白色 I think OK 的，white color 哦 XL，pink color 哦，
是的，冰咖的。
我 test XL 先。
Hello. Hi guys. Thank you for coming.
No, you press here.
Yeah.
What size is that?
L。这个
terbalik itu.
I think okay 啊。Helmet and T-shirt. Let's go. I think it should be XL, 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 XL 啊。
这个有，但是这个深不多。
Hello.
是咩？啊，ni cantik. Okay, good ah. Okay, 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 good, 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 good. Kacing. Hai. Kacing, 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 cing, cing, cing. Kawan-kawan kita support OG. Since Jepun aku dah beli. Right here we buy a bit lah. Lama-lama sekali. Okay,呢個一個呢個 helmet 紅色，呢個藍色。係。唔甩到啦，白色 XL 係1888 181000啱嘅 Kacing OK thank you OK pink color white color Dejavu helmet 係 white support Max Orido. Okay. Right. Arigato. One more. I like this one. Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you. Aku pergi ambil t-shirt bagi mereka pula. Contoh mata. Wishlist project t-shirt. Tanang. Dah bagi Max Orido dengan Maya. This one for you. This one S size.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, thank you. So for my side settle, if we can try to settle early, we settle lah. Signature, purchase the things. Lama-lama sekali. Let them happy. So next time they come Malaysia, they also happy. Okay, I purchased a helmet, glove, die cast, t-shirt. I tell you all, if you all purchase the helmet, Maya very happy, you know. She really happy. This 车最帅啊，真是帅的这辆车，它颜色 nice this one. See the color matching. 特的 GT wing. 特 Don't play this one. See a rim.
What's the size? Easy number now.
Apa rek kan?
Yes, the line. All correct.
Depan?
Depan pun.
Sama juga?
Ready push everyone on.
I think he's coming back to
Like Orido drifting. wire drift.
Okay, boleh? Boleh eh?
Ya. Ini nanti.
Psycho. Boleh kan?
Ada tiga. Ada one. One. Sebelah.
Nih.
Jadi mau Titan.
Okay.
Okay. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oh. Mantap. Pasti mau.
Yes，
BD 都来哦。
听啊，人家赏过你了吗？你怎么踩到没有？
我一边走啊，踩到。
Wow. So I'm the first one sit beside Max Orido. Now I'm not sure it's who. Okay, taxi ride very smooth ah, very smooth. Mantap bageng. Mantap Max Orido. Oh, smooth gila.
Ya, tukar. Next one. Sini, tukar sini.
Kita dah.
Segi dah leh. Who's the next one?
Oi, member sampai. Dah lewat. What time already? Okay, photo session, parking kereta, take a photo shooting. Yeah.
Record the shoot talk about what?
I just record ni, never mind. It's okay. I just only.
Look at the aqua.
Right there, no people.
Meriah lah.
Luna, Insta360. There? Yeah.
Kapan carry Masul? Alamak.
Alvarez!
Marcus Orido. Okay, one more. Marcus Orido.
Max Orido!
Moikai. Maya Orido. 3, 2, 1. Nah, 3, 2, Maya Orido.
Makudo Naruto!
Naku. 3, 2, 1. Maya Orido. Kita bagus.
Settle.
You see the face？
Drift King.
Day 2.
So I skipped the morning drive. Today is a Saturday. Supposedly I need to morning drive with them. But now it's dinner time. Okay, we're at the Botanica. I forget, I don't know the full name, but it's at Botanica. Invited only. We're having dinner with Max, Maya, everyone right here. 30%.
全部一样，全部都是不一样哦。你的是别的，
哦，
别的 special 的。
all same. All cheese.
We have a range. All chase cars for everyone. Everybody gets chase cars.
That's fine.
Limited edition.
Limited edition. Oh, nice actually.
Special tip.
Hi. Okay, nice. Can you help me? Hi. Oh, cheese. Dinner, we get a like card, but this one limited. Next. Limited. The gold color is cheese. This one limited. Okay, understand. You know. I work with kereta. Bicycle. Bicycle.
Okay. Bicycle, motorcycle,
Skip.
motorcycle,
Skateboard.
motorcycle,
Drifting. Orido-san, I ask you one thing. You know, you got watch Hong Kong movie?
Hong movie? Yes.
Got anyone tell you you look like someone? Hong Kong?
He doesn't watch Hong Kong movies.
Is it?
似てるって。
Is it? Hong Kong.
He looks like you.
Is it?
Unbelievable.
Yeah. He look like you. Hong Kong.
He's a Max.
Same, right?
Version.
Chinese version.
Japanese.
Funny.